Today, I'll walk you through how to add a background on Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to customize your chat backgrounds so you can make your conversations more personal and fun. Let's dive right in. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. This is where all the magic happens, and you'll want to be on the main camera page to start. Once you're on the camera page, swipe or tap to navigate to the chat section. This is where you can see all your conversations with friends. Next, click on the conversation where you want to add the background. Select the chat that you want to customize and get ready to make it your own. Once the conversation is open, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the display name. This will take you to the settings for that specific chat. You will now see the option for wallpaper. This is where the fun begins. However, remember that this feature is available for premium users only. If you are a premium user, you can select a wallpaper by either uploading a picture from your gallery or choosing from the available Snapchat wallpapers within the app. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Snapchat often updates its interface. Just follow along and you'll find the options you need. To recap, we opened Snapchat, navigated to our chats, selected a conversation, accessed the display name, and finally found the wallpaper option. With just a few taps, you can transform your chat background into something that reflects your style. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.